Introducing the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, a trip computer, lane departure warning, and more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and side impact airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.